Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about how to link debit card to Coinbase. First of all, obviously you need to log into your account and you will end up over here on the left side of the menu. You are at home page. What you need to do, just click on the top right corner. This is your profile and you might see your own profile picture over here. Just click on this and under the drop down menu you will find settings. You can just click on this. Here you can see we have so many options. What we need to do, we just need to find payment methods as you can see over here. Once you click on this you will see something like this and here you can see add a payment method. Obviously I don't have any payment method, so what we can do, just click on this option and here we have four options like ideal, easy bank transfer, euro bank account and also credit debit card. This is what we were looking for, right? Just click on this option and you will see something like this. Here you will see your name and I would prefer to use the same name which you have on your account of Coinbase. After that, enter the card number obviously. Make sure to check the expiration date and obviously CVC. After that, postal code where you live right now and just click on add card. And that's it. This is all you need to know how to link debit card to Coinbase account. It's a very easy tutorial. So I hope you like this video. Please subscribe. Bye bye and take care.